Well, it's literally the crack of dawn, August 1st. And I just saw Andy Wood's video, the one that he posted yesterday, about his delays. And I totally get it. I totally understand it. Andy has a job. Andy actually has to be places and do things. He has responsibilities. Unlike a YouTuber, where, you can work for like 10 minutes a day, shoot a video, and then just lay around and watch TV and stuff like that. So I get it. Andy's got responsibilities. And on top of that, he's got a scheduling issue with the fabricator who's going to do his headers. Remember now, with a combination like Andy has there, you can't just call up Jegs at Summit and say, hey, I need a set of headers for whatever the hell this thing is. I don't even know what it is. It's so far advanced. It's so far beyond anything I'm even capable of understanding that I don't even know what it is. So it's going to take his fabricator a week or two, a couple of weeks to get this thing together to do the headers, and he won't be able to get the car into their shop until the first week of September. So our scheduled race for September 30th isn't going to happen. Andy, I get it, I understand it, I respect it, I'm with you 1,000%. You let me know what the date's going to be, and I'll be there. Bottle Rocket and I will be there. And the only thing I'm puzzled by is he wants to raise the ante. He wants to go. We're scheduled to race for $4,000. Now he wants to go for $5,000. All right. I mean, listen. I tell you. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of broke. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of money. I've spent all my extra money on like Captain Crunch and rocker arms. So. You want to raise it another grand. You want to make it a $5,000 one run off the trailer, winner takes all match on the date of your choosing, the date and the track of your choosing. I'm down with that. $5,000. They open in about an hour and a half. I'll be ready. 5,000, bro. You got it. I'll see you at the track. Well, Andy, you gave us the update on Casper, so I'll give you the update on Bottle Rocket. So the general consensus is that I'm going to get baptized. Come with this race. I'll tell you the truth. There's a pretty good chance that that's what's going to happen. I mean, look what I'm up against. Look at that big, huge hybrid thing, that lump of engine that you have, all of the brains involved in it, and all that crazy stuff in it. Look how many carburetors you got on. How many carburetors you got? There's a lot of carburetors all over the top of that thing. I don't know how. There's no way I can keep up with you with like what I've got here. So well, there's our 727. That's ready to drop in, and then here's ooh. There you go. There's 322 cubic inches of relatively low compression small block Mopar with hand carved 273 cylinder heads and complete Chinese rocker gear. That ought to make a good, I don't know, 175, 180 horsepower. Hopefully it holds together for, a run or two. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. There's a good chance I'm totally outclassed. And then the car, oh my God, it's just an old taxi cab. I mean, there's nothing there. How could you? No, there's just no way. I'm just going to lose my money. I might as well just give you the money. I'll just send it off to you, Andy. Well, I do have a chance. I do have a slight chance. Because I do have that bottle in the trunk, which will supplement our little, And I tell you, man, I read all the books. I read all of David Vizard's books, and I read How to Rebuild Your Small Block Mopar, and all of that information is right there. It's all in there. And then I watched a couple of very educational YouTube videos too on how to do stuff to those engines. We got the bottle in the trunk, and there's a weight advantage. Casper's a porker. I got about 1,000-pound weight advantage, going into this thing, but who's to say? But one and done, right? roll him off the trailer, no test hits, no nothing. First time either of us go down the track that we're gonna race on, winner take all, right? Let's do this thing, brother, man. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.